back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, all that great stuff. So, you know what? My sweet tooth has been acting up and I wanted to show you guys how I make these really delicious, creamy mini cheesecakes. So if you love cheesecakes, then stick around. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And if you have any suggestions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So I bought a box of graham crackers and I'm going to use a package from that box and make the crust for the cheesecake. Now for the filling, I'm going to use 10 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, along with 6.5 ounces of sour cream at room temperature. Also 2 eggs and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, of course at room temperature, you get the idea. Also have 1/2 cup of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of flour. And also 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to get started on my graham cracker crust, and if you have a food processor you can definitely use that, but I'm just going to put it in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to pound it out with a rolling pin. It just makes it so much more faster and the cleanup so much more easier. So now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add the crumbs into a medium bowl, and I went ahead and I melted the butter and I'm going to add that in as well. So now I'm just going to grab a spatula and mix everything together, making sure that the crumbs are coated very well with the butter, making the perfect crust. So I'm going to set it to the side and get started on the filling. Now in a separate bowl I'm going to go ahead and add in my cream cheese, and I'm going to grab my hand mixer and begin whipping it up. Now I'm ready to add in my sugar, so I'm going to add the sugar in 3 parts. So the first part's going to go in and I'm going to begin whipping it up. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to add the second part and I'm going to whip this up as well. And at the very end, I'm going to add the very last part of the sugar and whip that up as well. So now I'm ready to add both of my eggs, and like the sugar, I'm going to do it one at a time. I'm going to do one, mix that up, and then add the next one and mix that one up as well. Next comes the vanilla and the lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and the flour. And you want to combine and mix all of these ingredients together. Now to add even more creaminess, I'm going to add the sour cream at the very end, and just grab the mixer and just combine and mix everything until everything is really smooth. So the filling is all done, and I went ahead and I lined up a muffin pan with some cupcake liners, and I'm going to go ahead and fill them up with the graham cracker crust. And as you can see, I've just taken the spoon and just pack it down at the very bottom, and you're just going to go ahead until all of your cups are filled. So now I'm ready to fill up each cup with the cream cheese filling, and to do that I'm going to use an ice cream scooper, and just makes it a whole lot easier. Just make sure that I have everything even and all that good stuff. I love using an ice cream scooper. I use it for making cookies in a lot of my recipes. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that until everything is filled up. So before I put it in the oven, I'm just going to shake it just a little bit, just making sure that there are no air pockets so that it's completely solid. And I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 320 degrees, and I'm going to bake them off for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is what they look like, and unfortunately we got to be a little bit patient because they have to chill overnight in the refrigerator. Okay, so after chilling overnight in the refrigerator, our mini cheesecakes are all ready and they're all done. Look how amazing those look. They look incredible. So you can top it off with anything you like, you guys. I'm going to spread a little bit of jelly on top, and I just happen to have some raspberries, so I'm going to top it off with some raspberries as well as some blueberries. You can use strawberries or, you know, again, with whatever fruits that you like. And I love cheesecakes. The thing about it is you do have to be patient because you just can't bake it and eat it immediately. You have to let it sit overnight, but believe me, it is all worth it. And that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.